Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday, Black Friday. Black, all black. So my customer, who's a regular customer of mine, has a brand new Gladiator. What is this? So it's a 2022 Gladiator. He ordered a Flowmaster system, and it came with a Super 44, which was just way too noisy. I advised him already to not put exhaust on a V6 because they're just so hard to tame. So after he drove it for like a week, he's like, I can't handle it. Thank God that he picked it out and chose that product for his vehicle, not me, because I would never advise putting any type of exhaust on a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. Just my opinion. The exhaust notes are just too hard to tame. Unless you're looking for something that's wild all the time, then each their own. So I'm actually swapping out the Super 44 for a 50 series. I don't even remember. Let's see what we got here. And he actually ordered his own muffler. So there is enough room to fit a 50 series in here. And we just welded it into the existing location. So any 50 series large case tames down a Flowmaster system. Thanks for watching.